Aprobado na rin ng Bangsamoro Transition Authority Parliament ang Parliament Bill Numbers 99, 123, 139 at 257 pang pagkakaroon ng hospital sa South Ubian, Tawi-Tawi, Masyo sa Lanao del Sur, gayon din sa Datubla, Sinsuat at Northern Kabuntalan, Maguindanao del Norte. Ang detalye sa report.
When I became a doctor, people would often ask me na kung saan po ako magtatrabaho. Magtatayo ba daw ako ng sarili kong clinic or di kaya magre-residency po ako sa mga hospitals? These are natural questions, but deep down, I always knew my purpose to serve and to make healthcare accessible, especially for those in geographically isolated and disadvantaged areas. That purpose led me to Northern Kabuntalan, a young and humble municipal health officer where the challenges in healthcare are overwhelming. Kulang ang pasilidad, limitadong kagamitan, at ang ating health workers kailangan magdoble kayod just to meet the basic needs. I have seen the first-hand struggle of my families traveling hours on habal-habal, small boats, or even tractors just to seek medical care. There was one heartbreaking case I will never forget. A critically ill child being transported on wooden bangka late at night, hoping to reach a hospital in time. Sadly, they didn't. These stories are far too common, and they remind us why this bill is so important. Malaking bagay po ito para sa akin, hindi lang dahil sa tayo ang nangunas sa pagsulong ng batas na ito. Bilang dating MHO ng Northern Kabuntalan, minsan ko rin itong pinangarap. Alhamdulillah, maisa sa katuparan na ito sa pamamagitan po ng ating boto. Mr. Speaker, my colleagues, on behalf of the people of Northern Kabuntalan, led by the Honorable Mayor Datum Rab Bayam Dilanggalan, we thank the Chief Minister Ahod B. Ibrahim, the Speaker, Attorney Pangalian Balindong, represented by Deputy Speaker Omar Yasser Sema, of course, our floor leader, Attorney Shah Elijah B. Dumama, and syempre hindi ko po makakalimutan ang Committee Chair ng CFBM, Ma'am Attorney Arnado, and ang members po ng Committee on Health na walang sawang sumuporta po sa committee sa pag-discuss ng bill na ito. And honestly, sa lahat po ng public consultation na napuntahan ko, yung public consultation po sa Northern Kabuntalan ang may pinakamaraming representative. And with this, Mr. Speaker, my vote is yes. And I humbly urge this august body, aking mga kasamahan, na sana suportahan po natin itong bill na ito. Yes, to provide healthcare for all in the Bangsamoro region.
Isa-isang bumoto ang 52 lawmakers na present sa special session ng Bangsamoro Transition Authority Parliament sa Maynila araw ng Huwebes, December 12, hinggil sa Parliament Bill Numbers 99, 123, 139 at 257.
With 52 yes votes, 0 no votes, 0 abstentions, BTA Parliament Bill number 257 is approved on third and final reading. Congratulations, everyone.
Sa ilalim ng BTA Bill number 99, itatayo ang 50-bed Level 1 General Hospital sa South Ubian, Tawi-Tawi. Sa ilalim naman ng BTA Bill number 123, magtatayo ng Pura Municipal Hospital sa Barangay Pura, Datubla, Sinsuat, Maguindanao del Norte ng isang 25-bed capacity na pagamutan. Ang Parliament Bill number 139 ay ang pagkakaroon ng Level 1 General Hospital sa Northern Kabuntalan. Habang ang Parliament Bill number 257 ay ang konstruksyon ng Alim Abdulaziz Mimbantas Memorial Hospital sa Masyo, Lanao del Sur na isang 50-bed general hospital. Nagpapasalamat naman si Committee on Health Chair MP Hashemi Delangalen sa approval ng mga proposed measures na tiyak niyang makakatulong na malaki sa mga residente ng mga nabanggit na mga bayan.
However, we understand that this is only the beginning. These hospitals are a foundation for a healthier Bangsamoro, but we have so much work to do. Marami pa tayong kailangan itaguyod upang matiyak na bawat Bangsamoro ay may access sa serbisyong pangkalusugan. Sa kanayunan man o sa mga isla. I entered the BTA with the hope of transforming lives, and today I see that transformation beginning to take shape.